What is up, guys? So the other day I posted a video on Instagram showing my first product that I ever made with Amazon. And today I'm going to show you guys what that product is, why I discontinued the product, and how I even started this process. So if it's your first time doing Amazon and you're curious, how did Sal start? How did he even start this entire journey? I'm going to show you guys today. So the first product I ever did was actually inspired by my puppy. I had just got my puppy Bella. She's a little Yorkie, and I was carrying her around all the time. I live in the Bay Area still, and I used to scoot her everywhere and carry her with me in a little like pouch. And the one that I bought was really bad quality. It had like a quick rip in it, like in the second week that I had it. So during this time is when I started doing product research, and I didn't have too much luck, like instantly finding a product. So one day when I was taking her out, I realized this is a bad quality one. Why don't I look at the numbers for this product and make a better one and sell that on Amazon myself? So I did. So this was the first product I ever made. And it is a pet sling for your dog, for your small dog, not big dogs, small dogs. And look, Bella's right here. So she's already getting excited. So I made this for her. As soon as let me just stand up and show you guys how much she likes this bag. You want to go? Let's go. Let's go. Come on, let's go. So the bad thing is she never wants to walk anymore. She will not walk outside. She waits for me to pick up the bag and put her in there. She just sat on top of it. So that's the first product I ever made. And I want you guys to know that although it didn't make me a lot of money, before we jump into the analytics and everything, this was a great product for me to learn how to do Amazon, how to get creative and make a brand. I pretty much started everything with Derek, and from the first step all the way to the last step, I learned everything and I created it all on my own with his help, of course. But I mean, like, I created the brand, the logo, the colors, the style of the bag. I added something to it that was like customized for me that I thought everybody would appreciate. So I'm gonna go ahead and dive into it and show you guys a couple more pictures and stuff that I have on the Instagram, which is still active, but this product is no longer on Amazon. So if you guys go look at this up, you're not gonna find it on Amazon. So this is the Instagram that I made back then, a long time ago when I had this product. And if we scroll down, there's not much on here, but I just wanted to show you guys like an actual zoomed up photo of it other than me holding it for you guys. So there's Bella, there's the logo. If you can see, it's actually her. So my first logo that I ever created was my dog, and I called it Passimo. So how did I come up with the name Passimo? Why did I call this product Passimo? Well, for the first time creating a brand on Amazon, I was trying to think of other well-known brands that I know and how they came up with their brand. So me being a guy who likes a lot of cars, I thought of Ferrari, Lamborghini, and like other foreign cars, and I thought, how did they come up with that name? Or not even how, but how do they sound? How do they come out of my mouth when I say them? So I thought of using that as inspiration to create my pet brand name. I wanted to make it kind of like a luxury, modern luxury pet brand, not a typical pet brand that you would go find at Petco. I wanted to make a more premium pet brand. So I used those brands as inspiration, and I kept thinking, and there's actually, quick story, there's a restaurant in Fremont that I used to go to. It's called Massimo's, and I just thought if I put Pa in front of it, it's gonna be Passimo. Massimo's an Italian restaurant. I wanted to make an Italian-inspired name, so I put Pa instead of the name, and I made it Passimo. That's how I thought of Passimo, and the brand did very well in the beginning. I sold out completely. I ordered a second and a third round, and I completely sold all of it. So for those of you wondering, did I lose money on this product? I didn't lose any money. I did make a little bit of profit, but I'll dive into why I discontinued it later. Let me show you guys a couple other things that I just posted these right now so you guys could see it while I'm on Zoom. So that's me on a scooter with Bella. I have her in the pouch and I take her everywhere in that. So that's why I loved the idea of selling this product, because I used it myself. Now, when you're making your first product, you might not find something that you use. It might be something totally, different that you're not even in the category nothing in that category is something that you're going to use, but you still sell in the category because it's going to make you a lot of money. Remember, guys, our goal with Amazon is to make a lot of money. Our goal is not to start like an Etsy passion project where we're selling boutique items. We're not doing that. We're trying to sell 500 units minimum a month. We're trying to sell 1,000 units minimum a month, 100 a day if we can. There was a certain point in time when I was selling 50 of these a day. So yeah, I had some interest in it, but if you don't have an interest in your idea, it's okay. Because a lot of my other products I had nothing to do with. I never used them myself. So back to this. How did I come up with the actual logo and branding? So after I thought of that in my head, remember, we create everything in our mind, guys. I created it in my mind. I contacted a supplier on Fiverr and I let them know all my ideas. I let them know that I'm trying to make this brand name for pets. I want the logo to be my Yorkie dog. I want these colors and I want the A to kind of be paused so it could be more pet inspired. So she created it for me. It was a girl on Fiverr. She designed the logo and made it all for me, photoshopped it, sent it over to me. I sent it over to the supplier on Alibaba.com. They created my entire product for me and I put it on Amazon. I want to show you guys what I saw when I first started. When I first started, these three were the top three. They're still, not only are they sponsored, so they're still paying for sponsored ads, but they were the top three and they're still one of the best. So that was one of the best ones back then. That was one of the best. The revenue for this was, I would say, average 10,000 to like 46,000. We could run a quick viral launch and see what it shows up today. These are the numbers that I saw when I started too. So it hasn't increased dramatically. It's been about over a year that this product has been on Amazon and mine has been discontinued since I last saw this. So if we look at how they're doing now, oh wow, they're actually doing a lot better. So if you look now, the competitors that are still on here, 180,000 monthly revenue, 200,000, 260,000, 116,000. I mean, the person doing the least is about 9,000 revenue. And that I wouldn't even consider because they're brand new. They have 67 sales and they have 1 review. So they just got on here. So if you ignore that one because they just got on here, everyone else who's been on here, they're making a lot of money. I thought I could make a lot of money selling this product. So I did. Now, quick story with my mentor. Derek already knew that I wasn't going to make 6 figures with the dog sling. I wasn't going to be able to, if I had a 9-to-5, quit my 9-to-5 and just sell on Amazon with this one product. He knew that, but he knew that I was going to sell it. I wasn't going to get stuck with it and I would make a little bit of profit. So why spend all this time and energy and effort doing a product and putting it on Amazon and, spending all this time on it if you're not going to make 10,000 a month? And that's the reason why most people never get on Amazon, never succeed with Amazon, because they're waiting for that golden ticket item. They're waiting for an item that's going to make them $10,000 a month. Do you guys see these YouTube video titles? $40,000 product, $50,000 product, 6 figures a month product. Guys, that's not one product. That's a seller who's like me, who's been on Amazon for over a year, maybe 5 years or 6 years, who have a portfolio of products, who have 5, 6, 7, maybe even 50 products. I did an interview with somebody the other night. He's launched 400 products on Amazon. So beginners, people who just started, don't be looking for a golden ticket item because you might never start and you might never learn. Then you might blame the course you took or your mentor and you might say Amazon's a scam. We're all living proof that it's not. My only income has been Amazon for over a year. I just started coaching. Alvin's only income is still just on Amazon. He helps me with my coaching program, but he's not actually, selling a course or anything. So that's what we do for a living. Some more clients that are launched now, they're hoping to launch 2, 3 more products and quit their 9-to-5. It's a process that we all have to go through. So let me show you guys a couple more things about the product that can help you guys with yours. So if you guys were to sell this product and you're looking at the first page, and let's assume this checks out everything, right? It checks out all the criteria we're looking for. This is a 10 out of 10 product. It's everything we're looking for, and we're gonna sell this product. Now, how can we differentiate? So let me show you guys what I did. Bella is literally sleeping on the couch. That's how much she likes it. Bella, it's time to go. So they all looked pretty similar, but what I did is I read all the reviews of the competitors. A lot of them aren't adjustable, and you want to make sure that you read your competitors' reviews, you read their negative reviews, and you make your product better. So before I even sold this product, I read all the best sellers' reviews. Why are people complaining? This is one of the best sellers. They have 4 stars. That means they have a bunch of negative reviews. Why? This person has 2 stars. Why? This person has 4.5. Why? So I read their negative reviews. I got all of them put in a document so I could look at all of them and figure out if all these people are complaining about these features, I should make those features, apply them on my product, and make the best pet sling I could possibly make. So I did. I made mine adjustable. The second complaint I saw a lot was that people's dogs was falling out. The opening was not the opening didn't have a closure. So when a little dog would go in here, it could easily jump out. So I added these little straps right here. These little buckles where you can buckle it in. So now when you put your dog in here, you can actually close the front and you can close the back. So just their head will stick out. That way your dog can't jump out even if it wanted to. I also added this part right here, which I really wanted, because when I would go outside and carry Bella around or at the mall or scootering, I wanted to put my phone somewhere. So I would literally put my phone inside of here. So let me show you guys. There it is. My phone is right there. So when I'm around scootering, I can easily pull my phone out, check my phone, text, change my song, put it right back in there and continue my scootering. So I loved it. I thought it was great. Put that back for Bella. And that's how I differentiated. I did get to the first page. Like I said, I did sell out my first inventory. Now, Sal, why did you discontinue this? You make it sound like you made a lot of money. You make it sound like you made the best product. Why did you discontinue this product? Very, 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 dumb. I would say dumb reason, but it was a smart decision on me. But I just wish that this wouldn't have happened. A lot of people who bought this product, they bought it for a big dog, even though my title said small dog. Like if you can see, it says small dogs. It says small dogs. Again, well, they didn't put it right there, but those two put small dogs. I literally put small dogs like 3 times in my title because people kept buying it for a big dog and then returning it and leaving a negative review for me and saying this was too small for my dog or too big for my dog. So what did I do? I kept trying to, make my listing better. I capitalized small dogs in my bullet points. I changed my photos and I made sure that the only dogs in my photos were really, really small dogs like Bella. A lot of customers still just will not read it. They just bought it right away because I had like really good images. My listing looked very nice. I was on the first page. So I made a lot of sales and I kept getting a ton of reviews. Why is that bad? My account health started going down. Amazon sent me some warnings saying that you're getting too many negative reviews, and you guys know that's not a good thing. So in order to protect my entire Amazon account, I had to discontinue this product. So I discontinued it. So am I upset? Did that suck? In a way, but I learned a lot. I learned how to do the whole Amazon process. I made $800 profit my first month, a couple thousand profit my second month. The entire process was fun. I loved it. It got me so excited to make more products. And at the end of the day, I ended up making 3, 4, 5 more products a couple months after that and making way more money and learning from this to where I knew that my product choice should be a product to where I'm not going to get a lot of returns because I don't want to deal with a lot of returns. So my next few products, they were way better. I didn't get anywhere near the same amount of returns. I think I might have had like 3 a month for my next products. So guys, what can you learn from this? Don't be looking for a golden ticket item. Don't wait and do product research until you find a product making 50,000 a month, 60,000 a month, or whatever you see on YouTube. Because yeah, you can find that if you're going to spend 5, 6 months just literally draining your time looking for products, or you can start like I did. You can start and learn the process and sell on Amazon. Now, note, make sure you're going to make money, guys. I'm not telling you to just find a random product and sell it so you could go through the process. I'm not telling you to do that. I'm saying make sure, as long as you're going to make a little bit of profit, go ahead and go through the whole process and learn. Your second time will be way easier. You can take that from me and anybody else that does Amazon. Your second time, your third time will be even more easier. You get to a point where this is like second nature. You could just log on Jungle Scout or Helium 10, easily find a product, automatically be thinking of what you're going to call it, instantly know what your logo is going to look like, already know how you're going to differentiate. Now, if I randomly look at a product and I'm doing product research, you know, I don't have to go through step by step by step. Like I can instantly figure it all out in my mind in a couple minutes. All the process of starting a new product can be done in my mind in a couple minutes now. So I don't have to spend 30 minutes or an hour figuring out what I'm going to sell. So that's it for this video, guys. That's my first product that I ever did. I hope you guys learned something from this. And I made this video after a couple of people requested that I show my first product. So if you guys want to see any more videos on Amazon or anything that has to do with e-commerce, definitely please let me know and I'll make another video for you guys, either, you know, about my other products or anything else that you guys want to see. So thank you guys for watching and don't forget to subscribe.